Hello everybody, my name is Glenn.
And I'm FangDi.
Today we will be showing you on our Wireshark assignment. Firstly, we will demo and explain the uses of Wireshark, and next we will demo and explain the Wireshark filters, capture and view.
Then we will demo to you how to reconstruct a web page using the capture package. After that, we will describe how Wireshark aids network administrators, then describe how Wireshark aids hackers, and describe the use of plugins.
Firstly, we will show you the 4 uses of Wiresharks. First, we will use the statistics to show what protocols are used in my network. Statistics, then we click the protocol, here protocol, and we can see what protocol are being used, like the IPv4, TCP, and many others. After that, we will use the statistics to create an I/O graph that will illustrate the network's traffic behavior. X-axis equals to the time and Y-axis equals to the number of packets. Like for now, these are the graphs that we have. You can see a different color. Basically, these are the colors that we have now. Next, I will show you the captured IP address domain name. Where is it? These are the address resolutions. As you can see, Google and many other things are in it. Google.com. This one.
Now I'll show the endpoints. Network endpoint is basically the logical endpoint of separate protocol traffic of a specific protocol layer. Example, here we'll start with clicking the statistics, then we'll go to the endpoints. And for these endpoints, we have Ethernet, and we got IPv4 and TCP. IPv4 means is an IP endpoint is identical to its IP address, and for TCP is a combination of IP address and the TCP port used. So different TCP port with same IP address will result in different TCP endpoints. Example, this one and this one with the same address, but they have different ports. Okay, now I'll show about the IP conversation. The conversations is go statics and conversations, then this table will show up. For now, we'll show you on the IPv4. So these are the addresses, like address A is talking to address B. So address A is normally all the links, and B is all the IP address which replies to A. So this is the conversations, the uses of conversations.
Next, we will show you on the capture and the view filters, where we will demo and explain the difference and the uses of each capture. First, for the capture, we will show you on the capture filter, where we will go to the interface. We will go to the options, and then there you can see a capture filter here. We can choose what we want. Like for example, we only want IP address. So we select it and we click OK. And then we press start capturing. And we go to view a website. To capture the packets, and then after that we will stop the capturing, And that's about capture filter.
Clear. Okay, now I will demo and explain view filter. For here, you have a filter and it will tell you is the display filter. Then you click on it, you will open all the different display filter. So we'll basically just choose one example. We choose TCP only. Then you click OK, and the screen will only display all the TCP protocol. We try again with the no ARP, and it will display with all the different protocols with no ARP inside. Okay. Now we'll explain the difference between the two types of filters. For view filters, it will only display the package that we are interested in and hide the one that we are not. And the view filter package remains in the capture file as the view only change the display.
Whereas the capture filter allows user to specify a capture filter for all interfaces that are currently selected and takes the form of a series of primitive expressions connected by conjunctions such as and, or not. Now we're going to show you how to reconstruct a HTML web page with graphics included using the package that we captured.
Okay, first we will have to select the HTTP. After that, we go to File and we will export objects HTTP only. Then we will save all the object and we name it as new. Onto the desktop, press OK.
Then we will go to the desktop and then we will open the new file, and then we can see that there's a HTML file there that says HTTP Wireshark. And I'll click on it, and then you can see that it is in a C drive instead of being in a HTTP website. This is the end of how you reconstruct the website with graphics included.
Yeah. For now, we'll describe how Wireshark aids network administrators. It helps network administrators use it to troubleshoot network problems, examine security problem issues, debug protocol implementations, and learn network protocols.
For how the Wireshark aids hackers, it helps hackers sniff and monitors networks in order to extract sensitive data from intended victims, capture cookies to gain control of accounts. Next, we'll explain what is a plugin. A plugin is a software component that adds a specific feature to an existing software application, and it helps reduce the size of the application. It is also to separate source coding from application due to software licensing. It enables third-party developers to create abilities which extend an application.
If the application supports plugin, it supports customizations such as Wiresnot, Wire AV, Wire Sockets, and Wire Browse. For Wire Browse, it allows access to a Wireshark instance running on another machine on a web browser. For Wire AV, it allows to scan files contained in a dump network. And thank you for listening to us.